Right, we're going to go on the nature trail in the Devonshire countryside. Yeah.
So which one do you want to go?
That way. Or that way.
way.
Well, if we go that way, that's the steep way. That's the not so steep way. So these are the, just want to have a look at these, the dog-free pitches, see how level they are at the top. No dogs in this field. You just got to... Oh, they're quite level on the top, love. Oh yeah, look. You get a bit of protection from the trees. It's not three bad, love.
No, it isn't.
Should have been here. Cool. Hello, Goatee. Is that you waking me up this morning?
Who was saying moo?
Yeah, one of these goats
It's half cow.
is half cow. Actually says moo.
Moo.
Moo! Yeah, one of them moos. There you go, Katie. It's nice and easy. It's what you need after breakfast. Nice easy walk through the rolling fields.
Yeah.
Fancy meeting you here. Fancy meeting you here. Yeah.
Hello.
Come on, Casey, you can do it. How did you get up there so quick?
Covered in glass.
Yeah. As it's a nice day today, completely blue sky. The other day we got some Fabsil waterproofer, so we're 4 tents. So I've just Fabsiled the tent, because apparently it's going to rain tomorrow when we're due to take the tent down. Yeah, just like it rained at Highlands End before we came here. But I knew it was going to start about 8 o'clock, so I managed to get the other tent down by 7:30, and then the rain started. So I'm all Fab-sealed up. That should dry on there nicely today. And we'll plan on going to Buckfast Abbey today. Somebody else has just moved in. Loving it, hey Kate?
Right, toilet.
Nice.
You can get set up and
So-
then we're going out.
Too much information, babe. Here we are, day trip. Well, a couple of hours trip to Buckfast Abbey. It's the Buckfast Abbey Physic Garden. Let's get physical, physical. What's that, Katie? You got a monk on? I beg your pardon. I never promised you a rose garden. Oh, that one was funny. Looking. Literally just went down to 27.
Well, I'm glad we got out
It's
before the
28
coach party goes.
Yeah. So go on then, get the Buckfast out, let's try it. You got to try the Buckfast while you're still in the car park at Buckfast
No, you
Abbey.
don't.
Yes you do, get it open. Right, well as we're still at Buckfast, let's try the Buckfast tonic wine. Let's have a look. There you go, a little tiny bottle of Buckfast. Go on then, crack it open. Get them muscles going. Have a smell.
You try it first.
Buckfast. It's like Benelin. It is, it's like Benelin. Go on. Just imagine you've got a sore throat and a chesty cough and you've got to take medicine. I guess you don't like it then.
No. Red wine based aperitif. 28% high caffeine.
That'll keep you awake then.
Not recommended for children or pregnant or breastfeeding women. 15% volume.
So you're not keen then?
No.
I think it's all right.
The lady in the shop said it was good for cooking.
Or just good for getting mullered if you're a Scottish teenager. Apparently. Yeah, it's quite drinkable actually. Finish the rest of that off when we get home. From Buckfast, which is over there. Just prove we're at Buckfast. There's the Abbey. Okay, we've been driving around the narrow lanes of Devon for the last 2 hours trying to find a pub that does food. So we've resorted to Burger King. Well, it's the last night in Woodland. Katie's coming back with more wine. How many bottles have we got left? 2 bottles of wine left. Oh, I've got some beers as well. Old Thumper. Bit of Ringwood.
Alright, we've got a week to have to drink.
We have got another week, but it's glamping, not camping. So what we've done, we've reduced the size of the windbreak, so we've made a nice little cosy little nook. There you go. And in our cosy little nook, we've got our chairs, table with all the bits on, and if I can just put this glass down, and 2 massive fillets of sea bass. Look at that. Oh. And then there's some garlic and herb mushrooms, giant mushrooms. So, how you liking the look of that, love?
I don't need to.
What's that long now on that? Last night, gotta look after you. Gotta look after you. Clouded over a little bit. So it's sea bass tonight. How much was that? £14.80.
Really expensive.
£14.80 too.
Don't we usually get 2 sea bass or sea beans for a fiver or something?
Yeah, something like that. But this was a full fish. We weighed it with the head and tail and bones and all that. But if I put my hand there, 1, 2, it's 3 hands wide. That is a big piece of fish. So,
and it probably came out to sea this morning.
It probably did.
Than last week at Morrison's in
Yeah, probably did. Probably come out of port at Tynemouth. Is it Tynemouth or Tynemouth? We're not sure, are we?
Mm-hmm. Tynemouth.
Yeah. Smells good, doesn't it? Anyway, love, to our last night.
Yeah.
Clinky, clinky. Splishy, splashy. Cheers. Let's enjoy our last evening before we go glamping. So there we go, fillet of sea bass with garlic and herb mushroom and some coleslaw. There's Katie's the other way up, just to show you. Very nice. Right, and the fire's going out, there's nothing else for us. Brighton May home fire log. The log on. Used all the coal up. Coming to get warm by the, coming to get warm by the fire.
Yeah.
Brighton May home fire log. Well worth £3 that, ain't it, eh?
Not allowed to touch it, by the way. The other day he started breaking it up and then it all just went out.
Yeah, because it was time to go to bed.
No.
That's how you put it out, you break it up.
No, you didn't. You broke it up too early. Because you're on a mess all the time.
Oh, you got prod, that's why I got my pokey stick.
No, don't touch it.
There you go, look, I've got my pokey stick. So I can pokey. Can I have your pokey stick?